Om Shri Saram. Welcome back to Sai Lakshmi YouTube channel. Experience of a devotee that Baba hears their prayers. There was a girl. My life since 2006 has taken a very positive turn. It was due to my mother's instances and her prayers to Sri Sai I had pursued my studies in Pune, Maharashtra. To be very honest, I never believed in the essence of prayers until I started doing puja. In my PG since 2010, November 24th, I remembered my mother taking me to Shirdi every year for a visit. Whenever she used to come to Pune, I felt the long journey and then the huge crowd made little sense to visit a holy shrine. But few incidents in my life opened my eyes. Ignorance turned into spirituality. After Sri Sai started showing his blessings on me, it is explained in the Bhagavad Gita that the heart to pray and feel devotion is the result of God's blessing. Nobody reaches Shirdi without his calling. I have heard many accidents of people roads accident while traveling to the holy place. But every time me and my family traveled up there, everything went smoothly. And even though the temple is always overcrowded, we get few seconds to offer our prayers in front of Baba. The moment you reach up the stairs and look at Baba, you will know that everything in life is this. This is the moment you have been waiting for. Nothing in life can give you so much satisfaction as much as a glance of Baba can. Me and mother both used to cry without any apparent reason. Maybe it was our devotion or apparent that we could reach him just like a child is happy to see her father after a long time. Faith started showing its sign, just like a bird started becoming a flower in due course of time. Yes, only faith can unite things that we can't measure or describe by our intelligence. The first experience was a complete faith in him. Second, I badly wanted to do my masters in a good institute. He showed me the proper way by sending good consultancies, and finally, after appearing for many competitive exams, I cleared my exam, went to abroad. Results were so good that I was appreciated to have scored the highest time in applications from all over the world in a chosen university in London. I applied in 15 universities and got offer letter from 9 universities. Isn't it miracle? Third, I completed my studies and came back to India in 2012 December. Post which have taken a new route and it was too rocky. Everybody told me to pursue a career abroad, but I was stubborn in my idea of finding the good life here, nearby my family, a place where I can grow as an independent individual. But as fate would have it, even though I was placed with an MNC, my job profile was completely different to what I experienced before. So I had to change the industry vertically to try my hands on writing full time. Things weren't easy. Even though I was a blogger since 2010, I had to face a lot of challenges at work, and eventually my senior helped me a lot. Unfortunately, through this grace, I got few upstairs and who interested in my work. Fourth, I have been saved from jaundice, which is a well-known disease, but it turned out for me. Due to wrong prescription and medication, I had developed his levels of the jaundice in the year 2014. My mother nursed me for 2 months, and due to Baba's blessing, I could recover completely. It was a new life gifted to me by him. Generally, jaundice doesn't get complicated, but in my case was different and had to hospitalize, but I was treated at home. Fifth, whenever any road accident has to happen, I get a feeling as if Baba is trying to protect me. And instance in life has proved that he walks with me. As he rightly said, proved that He travels across 7 seas to meet his devotees. Whenever I am, he exists. I find his devotees where I go. His love, his enveloped my life completely. I know he wants the best for me. Everything that I do or start, first I make sure that I offer it to him. He is the decider of my life. I am also a Gopal Bhakt, Sri Krishna. But for me, as script says, I see Sri Krishna, Sri Ram and Allah all in Sai. I call him the people's God. I am sure you must have felt his presence too. Sabka Malik Ek. Sri Sai lived a very simple life. You have to read his life story before assuming that things on why big temples are built on his name. People karmas can't be attributed as God's doing. In all his teaching, he has taught about the significance of a spiritual guru in life. Nobody goes after a miracle. A miracle happens naturally when you believe. People have created temples, misused the wealth given to them. If God has asked anything from us, it is only love and devotion. Please educate yourself about why we give dakshina via religious books. Sri Sai Satcharitra. Baba saying, I do not accept anything from devotees but remembrance, faith and devotion. Om Shri Sai Ram. Please do like and share, subscribe to this YouTube channel.